Welcome to AI Creator Insights. Today we dive deep into one of the most advanced conversational AI models, ChatGPT. But before we delve into its intricacies, let's take a brief look at its roots. OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, is the brain behind this remarkable innovation. Their journey began with the development of GPT-2, a powerful language model that could generate coherent and contextually relevant sentences. However, OpenAI didn't stop there. They pushed the boundaries of what was possible and introduced GPT-3, an even more advanced model. GPT-3's impressive language understanding and generation capabilities set a new benchmark in the AI field. And then, building upon these groundbreaking models, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT. It took the best of GPT-3, added a sprinkle of conversational finesse, and voila! This progression led to the creation of the sophisticated conversational model we know today as ChatGPT. ChatGPT boasts a plethora of capabilities that make it a prime tool in today's AI-driven world. This conversational AI model developed by OpenAI is designed to understand and respond to human language in a way that is both contextually appropriate and creatively engaging. It excels in a variety of applications. For instance, in customer support, it can handle queries round the clock, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. Content creators can harness its power to generate articles, blog posts, or even poetry. And for educators and students, ChatGPT serves as an interactive tutoring tool, broadening learning horizons. These features, and more, make ChatGPT a versatile tool for both businesses and individuals. Accessing ChatGPT is a straightforward process, whether you're using OpenAI's platform, a third-party platform, or the direct API. If you're using OpenAI's platform, simply visit their website, sign up, and navigate to the ChatGPT section. For third-party platforms, you'll generally need to sign in, then select ChatGPT from the available AI models. If you're a bit more technically inclined and prefer using the direct API, you can access ChatGPT by making HTTP requests to OpenAI's servers. Regardless of your choice, you'll find the interface to be intuitive and user-friendly. It's designed to help you initiate a chat, ask questions, and get accurate responses with ease. With the setup complete, you're ready to start chatting with the AI. Now that you're set up, it's time to initiate a conversation with ChatGPT. Imagine having a chat with a friend, but this friend possesses the knowledge of thousands of books, articles, and internet pages. That's what interacting with ChatGPT feels like. Start your session with a simple question or statement, and ChatGPT will respond accordingly. But remember, context is king. ChatGPT uses the context of the conversation to generate its responses. Think of it like a game of chess. Each move shapes the game's trajectory. Similarly, each input you provide shapes the conversation. Getting accurate responses requires a bit of finesse. Be specific with your prompts. If you're asking about the weather, specify the location. If you're discussing history, mention the era. Specificity helps ChatGPT deliver precise responses. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. ChatGPT is designed to maintain the conversation's context, so it can handle back and forths quite well. And remember, while ChatGPT is smart, it's not perfect. If the response seems off, adjust your prompt and try again. As you can see, with the right approach, ChatGPT can provide insightful and relevant responses. Beyond the basics, there are several strategies to guide the model's behavior for optimal results. One of the most effective ways is using system instructions. Think of these as meta-instructions that help you shape the output. For instance, you can instruct the model to generate a detailed explanation or speak like Shakespeare. You can also use system instructions to dictate the tone, format, or length of the response. However, remember that system instructions might not always work as expected. The model doesn't understand the instructions in the same way humans do. It just uses patterns learned from its training data. So, if you find the model not following your instructions, try making them more explicit or rephrase them. Another thing to keep in mind is the model's verbosity. It tends to generate lengthy responses. You can counter this by explicitly asking for a brief answer. Lastly, be aware that the model might sometimes make things up. It's important to cross-check any critical information it provides. These advanced tips will help you harness the full potential of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is already making waves in various sectors. Businesses are harnessing its power to revolutionize customer service, with the AI model handling inquiries around the clock, providing quick and accurate responses. Content creators are using ChatGPT to auto-generate blog posts, articles, and even scripts, alleviating the burden of constant content production. Educators and students alike are leveraging it for tutoring purposes, with the model capable of explaining complex topics in a simple, easy-to-understand manner. But it's not just businesses reaping the benefits. Individuals are using ChatGPT to assist with their personal projects or research, thanks to its ability to scour the internet's wealth of knowledge and provide succinct summaries. And let's not forget the creative minds who are using it to generate unique pieces of fiction, poetry, and even song lyrics. However, with such powerful technology, ethical considerations inevitably arise. One primary concern is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, ChatGPT could be used to spread misinformation or generate harmful content. That's why it's vital to have robust moderation systems in place to prevent such misuse. Furthermore, it's essential to be transparent about the use of AI. If a chatbot powered by ChatGPT is interacting with customers, it's crucial to disclose that they're communicating with an AI, not a human. It's about respecting the user's right to know. There's also the question of data privacy. While ChatGPT doesn't store personal conversations, users should always be aware of what data they're sharing and how it's being used. Finally, we must address the limitations of ChatGPT. It's an impressive model, but it's not perfect. It may occasionally produce inaccurate or nonsensical responses, and it lacks the ability to understand or express true human emotions. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly and transparently. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the history of ChatGPT to its practical applications and ethical considerations. We've explored its capabilities, usage tips, and how it's transforming various sectors. But it's not just about understanding, it's about applying. Remember, the key to mastering ChatGPT lies in experimentation and practice. Share your experiences in the comments below.